Hello everyone, welcome back to our brand video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your Touch ID to install or update apps from the App Store on your iPhone and iPad iOS 14 and 15. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, as you can see, when I want to install the app from the App Store, it's asking for the Apple ID password again and again. So how to fix this issue? Just go back to your home screen and open up settings app here and then scroll it down and now tap here on screen time and again scroll it down here and tap on content and privacy restrictions and now tap on iTunes and App Store purchases and here is the required password always required and don't require. So tap on always required and then go back and again in the settings menu scroll it down here and from here tap here on touch ID and passcode. Enter your passcode here and here I have given my fingerprints already here. So guys, what you have to do is just you have to add your fingerprint here. So after adding your fingerprint, turn the toggle on for the iTunes and App Store purchases. So enter here your Apple ID password. So I'm giving my Apple ID password here. And then go back and again try to install the app. Here it is. So it's asking for the touch ID, so I'm giving this one. So as you can see, app is installing right now. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.